If you are the pro, please skip the video. This video is for the beginners. So let's get started. At first, going to the file and going to the new options. From here, I'll take 1000 by 1000 pixel, height and weight, and here RGB color mode, and here is 300 ppi, meaning pixel per inch, and hit the create button. And then going to the rectangle tool, press the shift and hold it and draw a square shape. After that, turn off the fill color, only the stroke color will appear over there. And then press the shift and hold it and rotate when you are watching the double arrow key. Just rotate this one. And after that, press the shift and hold it, select once, and once. If you don't see this dot, you have to turn on one settings. Go to the view options. Here is hide corner wedges. You can't see those. And going to the view again, show corner wedges. These edges will be appear, and select this 1, 2 and 3. Just make it round. That's fine. And now going to the object and going to the compound path and make. Nice. Ctrl C, Ctrl F for the forward paste, and make a small copy and make it middle of the bigger one. And after that, select this, Ctrl C for the copy, Ctrl F for the forward paste, and make a copy like this, and Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Press the shift and hold it, make it like that, and select the selection tool, and you will see again those corner. Select 1, 2 and 3, make it round again. Fine. Select this one, match with that, and match with this, like this. Fine. Select all the stuffs, go to the shape builders tool, make the line is overlap with each other, otherwise you can cut it out from the shape. Go to the shape builder tool and select this and just select like this. Fine. And now we'll select this one and this one and just put it beside of that. Delete all the stuffs. Select this, and now we'll just bring the swatch from this and Ctrl V, I for the color picker, and just pick a color. Now select this one, go to the gradient and make it reverse. So select all the stuffs, make it group, make it middle of the artboard. Fine. Now going to the text tool, select once over there, make the font size bigger like this, and change the font. I'm using here Poppins bold, make it a little bit of a smaller like this, and select all the stuffs, press Alt to make it copy. Fine. Now I will make the regular one and change the font size according to the golden ratio, divide by 1.6. Fine. And making it middle of the all the things. Fine. I'll write down here slogan here or tagline here, and I'll write down over there logo name. Now again make it middle. That's fine. You can make it a little bit of bigger like this, and select all the stuffs, middle again, press Ctrl or Command G, and now middle of the artboard. So if you are the beginner, you can make easily this sort of logo following these steps. If you are the pro, please skip the video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.